Salam and welcome to another episode of Wander Vision by Truly Pakistan, where we explore the hidden gems and captivating journeys that make Pakistan a true traveler's paradise. Today, we're all aboard a very special train, the revived Safari Tourist Train. Let's look into a journey back in time. Imagine stepping into a time machine, the rhythmic clack-clack of the rails carrying you back to the golden age of train travel. That's the magic of the Safari Tourist Train. It's a moving museum, winding through the historic Pothohar region, a land filled with ancient cities, rolling hills, and echoes of empires long gone. This journey isn't just about the ride, it's about the treasures at every stop. Get lost in the vintage charm of the Islamabad Railway Museum, explore the spiritual heart of Hassan Abdul, and stand in the shadow of mighty Attock Khurd, a marvel against the backdrop of the Indus River. Think the romance of trains is dead? Think again. The Safari Tourist Train treats you to plush seats, delicious Pakistani cuisine, and those ever-changing landscapes like a giant moving canvas. It's about slowing down, savoring the journey, and making memories. Now, let's see how Pakistan Railways is helping boost tourism in Pakistan. The Safari Tourist Train isn't just about nostalgia, it's smart. It brings travelers right to the heart of Pakistan, to the local shops, the bustling bazaars, and the friendly smiles. This isn't just a train ride, it's an investment in the communities along the way. Can you picture it? Coastal journeys along Balochistan's beaches, mountain adventures through the Karakoram. The Safari Tourist Train is just the beginning of a whole network of railway experiences. Now, wouldn't that be something special? So, are you ready to answer the call of the train whistle? Visit the Pakistan Railways website to book your Safari Tourist Train adventure. And who knows, maybe next time we'll be exploring a different hidden corner of Pakistan together. Until then, happy travels and Allah Hafiz. Hit like and subscribe to our channel to support our efforts.